When planning a home renovation in Austin, most homeowners think about paint colors, flooring options, and updated fixtures. But one step that often gets overlooked is appliance removal. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen, remodeling your laundry room, or modernizing the entire home, dealing with old appliances is a key part of the process. Ignoring this step can slow down your project, create safety hazards, and even cost you more money in the long run. Creating space for renovation work. Renovations require clear, open areas where contractors can work efficiently. Outdated refrigerators, dishwashers, ovens, or washing machines take up valuable space, making it difficult for crews to maneuver and complete their tasks. By scheduling appliance removal early, you clear the path for demolition, installation, and design work. In Austin homes, where space is often limited, even one large appliance left in place can delay the timeline of a project. A professional removal service ensures the area is ready for construction without unnecessary clutter. Ensuring safe and responsible disposal. Appliances aren't just bulky, they often contain chemicals, metals, or components that can't simply be tossed into a dumpster. Refrigerators, for example, contain refrigerants that must be handled according to environmental regulations. In a city like Austin, which emphasizes eco-conscious living, proper disposal isn't just important, it's expected. Professional appliance removal services handle these materials safely. They know how to recycle parts, dispose of hazardous elements, and even donate working appliances to local charities. This keeps harmful substances out of landfills and supports sustainability in the Austin community. Avoiding hidden costs. Some homeowners try to save money by removing appliances themselves, but this can backfire. Without the right equipment, moving a heavy stove or washer can cause injuries or damage walls, floors, and doorways. On top of that, improper disposal may result in fines, since Austin has strict waste management rules. Hiring a professional team may seem like an added expense, but it actually saves money by preventing accidents, protecting your property, and ensuring compliance with local disposal laws. It also frees you from the hassle of figuring out how and where to take each item. Supporting energy-efficient upgrades. Home renovations are often about upgrading to better, more efficient systems. When you replace outdated appliances with modern energy-saving models, you improve your home's functionality and reduce monthly utility bills. But to fully enjoy these benefits, the old units must be removed properly and promptly. In Austin, where energy conservation is a priority, upgrading appliances during renovations makes your home more sustainable. Removal services often coordinate with recycling centers to ensure that reusable metals and components from your old appliances are repurposed. This helps lower your renovation's overall environmental footprint. Streamlining the renovation timeline. Time is one of the most valuable resources during a home renovation. Everyday appliances sit in the way as contractors can't work efficiently. Delays can also push back other steps in the project, from electrical rewiring to cabinetry installation. Scheduling professional appliance removal keeps the renovation timeline on track. Many Austin-based services offer same-day or next-day pickup, meaning you can move forward without unnecessary downtime. Enhancing your renovation experience. Ultimately, home renovations should be exciting, not stressful. Appliance removal services take one major task off your plate so you can focus on the creative aspects of your project, choosing finishes, layouts, and designs that reflect your vision. Knowing that professionals are safely and responsibly handling your old appliances gives you peace of mind throughout the process. Conclusion: if you're planning a renovation in Austin, don't overlook appliance removal. It's essential for creating space, ensuring safe disposal, avoiding hidden costs, supporting energy efficiency, and keeping your project on schedule. By partnering with a professional removal service, you make your renovation smoother, safer, and more eco-friendly, while setting the stage for a beautiful, updated home.